Hello, it's another Tom is laid off and doing things around the house video. I showed you before my setup around what I thought was the entrance to a vole hole. What it actually is the entrance to a deer mouse den, I guess. And I don't want to just go ahead and, well, I mean, it's not exactly gory, I'll show you. Here's what the guy looks like. He actually set off the rat trap. That's impressive. That means that is an insanely sensitive rat trap that a mouse, admittedly a large one, was able to set it off. Now, I set this trap out like 4 or 5 days ago, and I think it took about that long for my scent to wear off. Because that's kind of how long it took me to trap the chipmunk that was hiding in the house siding. In the meantime, it looks like from that same den, those little guys burrowed a new tunnel out. I had mentioned I was hit or miss with this style trap to kill voles, and again, clearly it's a miss. You know, I crushed down that tunnel, I set the trigger directly on top of it, so if they tried to redig the tunnel, it would push the trigger up, the spikes would come down. But unfortunately, they didn't redig the tunnel. And that is why, you know, I'm just not a huge fan of these plunger traps. They just, you know, you can set up, if you can find 3 or 4 tunnels and set these up on 3 or 4, you might get a hit on one of them, and that's it. So, you know, I mean, just food for thought when dealing with pests and rodent control.